Dave?
The President's opposition to tax increases for the middle income, does that apply to the health care bill and specifically to this idea of taxing health insurance premiums?
Taxing
insurance premiums?
Well, I mean, the statement didn't come with caveats.
Make sure that when the budget director, indicated you might want to hear more about this idea from Senator Baucus that the President's thinking.
No, the President has said that everybody involved in Congress, the President, interest groups representing doctors and patients, hospitals, the pharmaceutical industry should bring their ideas to the table.
The idea that someone might bring to the table of making you pay taxes on the health insurance premiums that you pay, he's going to reject that idea.
Dave, I would point you to any number of the commercials that we ran during the campaign on that topic. Margaret?
You previously said he was open to that.
I said he was open to
the idea of
No. I said he was open to people bringing their ideas.
But he's not open to that idea.
Well, I think we can discuss those ideas. The President isn't particularly supportive of, as he was in the campaign, or wasn't in the campaign of that. That doesn't mean people shouldn't bring those ideas. That's why we had the health care side.
He's not ruling that idea out. I mean, this is important. These are,
I know. I think I've answered your question like 7 times, Mara, so I don't know if 8 will make it more or less clear.
The answer that you just, so you're saying he is not ruling it out?
No,
Okay, well, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm being really dense, but try again.
I think I was clear. I'd be happy to read back the answer that I gave to you. Margaret?
Actually, at the risk of skipping my own question, I kind of want to stand by for an answer on this, too.
We can get the stenographer to read back the question.
I mean, a lot of people want health insurance reform, maybe at a cost. So probably everything's on the table for negotiation. This is going to be a complicated
everything is on the table for people to bring their ideas to discuss. The President has talked about, you all covered in the campaign, a health care plan. That's the idea that the President had. The President had ideas about how things were and weren't paid for. Those were covered also in the campaign.
What would you veto?
I'm not going to get into